So what we've got here is a pair of AKG and their K702 model. I'm not sure if you can see that. And there's a bit of a problem with these. They sound good. They're really good reference monitor headphones, but there's a bit of a problem. And the problem is that it's a reoccurring problem, and one of the speaker drivers just stops working. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's this side. It stops working, and this has probably happened to me maybe 10 times in the last 2 years. And it's an easy fix. It's a real easy fix. And all you have to do is take a pair of tweezers, because what we need to do is get inside of here. Okay, so you take a pair of tweezers, and you need to pop it on these holes, and you just turn. So you can see that there. Pop it in, and just turn anti-clockwise, and it should just pop out like that. Oh, it's quite hard. Maybe I'll have a go at it. It should just drop out. Yeah, there we go. And now you can see inside there. And the issue is that there's these white and red cables, and they actually come undone. And you can see if I just pull this out, it comes out and it becomes desoldered. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's basically broken there. So what we need to do is just apply some solder to this terminal here. But I'm really sick of this, so what I might try and do is replace this wire for a bit of a stronger wire, so it doesn't happen in the future. So if we have a little bit of a deeper look inside, as I was saying before, there was this piece of red wire here, and it's quite cheap and nasty wire. And what was happening, or what happens is it's multi-core wire, so that means that it's made up of loads of individual strands of metal. And what I'm going to do is I've actually cut this piece of single core wire, and that's this one here. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's just one piece of metal. Just one piece of metal. So my thinking is there that it's going to be a lot stronger, but you know, I'm a bit of an amateur, but we'll see. So what I'm going to do is solder it in from this terminal down in the bottom right. Can't really see it, it's just a metal terminal, and then all the way to this terminal here. And it should sit in there like that. So I'm going to get going on that now. So, great stuff. That's looking a bit better, isn't it? We can see, I use my trusty screwdriver, that I've just, bridged the connection from here, this terminal, here. And I guess it's a design fault, and I'd perhaps like to know if anyone else has experienced this same design fault, because it's been a real bane of my life for a while. So hopefully that's going to be fixed. And now all you need to do is put it back together. So we take this bit, and that just kind of clips on. And don't forget these screws, okay? They hold on this outer bit. And now just to put this flying saucer thing back on, and hopefully it will not happen again. So you put the tweezers in and you just click clockwise. It might be quite hard, but just push and you'll click it, and hopefully we should have a pair of working AKG K702s. So we'll just do a little testy test. I'll pop them on the head, play a tune. Oh yeah, that's working. And let's hope that it doesn't break again.